Hi there. In this video, I am going to guide you through the process of installing and setting up the MMGuardian Sync app so that you can view the messages that are on your child's iPhone. You will be able to view the messages in the MMGuardian parent app on your phone or the web portal, and you will also receive alerts about concerning messages related to categories such as predators, drugs, suicidal thoughts, and more. To get started, click the big green button. You will then be taken to a new download screen. In this tutorial, I will be using a Mac computer, but the process is pretty similar and straightforward for Windows computers as well. If you ever have any questions, you can always email support@mmguardian.com for assistance. Again, you will click the green button, enter your login information, and then you will be able to start the download. The DMG file will download and open automatically. If you have a Mac computer, you will see this screen pop up. You will need to drag the icon into the Applications folder. Once it is in the Applications folder, you can double-click it to open. You'll see this little dialog since you downloaded it from the internet instead of the App Store, but just click Open, and then it should take you to the app's title screen. At the title screen, enter your account information to log in. You will see this screen if you don't currently have any devices connected to the computer. Simply connect the device via USB cable and then it should appear like this. You may have to unlock the device and set it to trust the computer. Once you see the device, click Configure to start setting it up. In the configuration screen, you will see several options. You don't have to enter the phone number, but it is recommended. Backup encryption is necessary if the device is currently set to be encrypted on the computer. You can check that setting in iTunes on a Windows computer or in the Finder on a Mac. Here you'll enter the encryption password. Attempt backup is pretty straightforward. It will determine how often the app will attempt to back up your child's device and upload the messages. The time frame determines at what point in the day the backups will be attempted. By default, the time frame is set from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m., which is 24 hours a day. If you would like for your child's phone to be backed up during times when the computer will probably be asleep, such as during the night, you will need to set up schedules that correspond with the times that the device will be backed up. Once everything is set, click Save, and the initial backup will begin automatically. Now, this first backup may take a while depending on how much memory your child's phone has used. However, subsequent backups will be much faster and automatic. We are going to skip ahead to the end here. Once the backup is complete, you will see this message informing you the future backups will occur automatically as long as the child's device is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the computer that you installed the Sync app on. To ensure Wi-Fi backups will work, disconnect the device from the USB cable. You should see Wi-Fi in the upper right corner here. Do another manual backup to make sure there are no issues. And that's it. The messages should now be seen in your parent app or the web portal. As always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us at support@mmguardian.com.